हेलो दोस्तों, मैं आप देख रहे हो लर्निंग बेस। आज की इस वीडियो में हम पढ़ेंगे मैथमेटिक्स चैप्टर 1 नंबर सिस्टम। तो नंबर सिस्टम में हमें सबसे पहले देखने को मिलता है फेस वैल्यू। तो ये फेस वैल्यू इसमें क्या होता है, इसको मैं एक एग्जांपल से समझा देता हूँ। 14227 ले लीजिए आप। जैसे तो इसमें हमें बोल रहा है कि 1 की फेस वैल्यू बतानी है। तो 1 की फेस वैल्यू हम क्या बताएंगे? 1 की फेस वैल्यू हम 1 ही बताएंगे, क्योंकि फेस वैल्यू का मतलब ही वैल्यू रियल, इसे आप रियल नंबर भी बोल सकते हो। तो ये फेस वैल्यू, तो इसकी मैं डेफिनेशन आपको बता देता हूँ। तो डेफिनेशन कुछ खास नहीं है, समझ में आ जाना चाहिए। बाकी देखिए क्या है इसमें। द नंबर ले लो आप, NO ले लो। द नंबर इन फेस वैल्यू ले लो आप, वही नंबर होगा, इट्सेल्फ होगा वो नंबर। ठीक। सो ये हुआ फेस वैल्यू। आपको एक एग्जांपल मैं और बता दूं एक्स करके। एक नंबर हमें दिया है 42329। ठीक। एग्जांपल के तौर पे मैं ले रहा हूँ 42329 ले लिया मैंने। और अब मुझे इस नंबर में 3 की फेस वैल्यू बताने को मुझे बोल रहा है। तो 3 की फेस वैल्यू क्या लेंगे? डेफिनेशन से ही पता चलता है और समझ भी आ गया होगा, 3 ही लेंगे हम, क्योंकि फेस वैल्यू खुद वही नंबर होता है उस नंबर का। सो दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। देन नेक्स्ट, प्लेस वैल्यू। Then face value, place value. So in a place value we will see that place value I have written value 2 times. So in a place value, the value of number changing by its place. Yeah, so you have to know that small things. So फेस वैल्यू का हम एक एग्जांपल ले लेते हैं x। सो एग्जांपल पूछ रहा है 234291। हमसे ये एग्जांपल पूछ रहा है कि इसमें हमें 3 की प्लेस वैल्यू बता दीजिए। फेस वैल्यू में हम 3 = 3 कर देते हैं, लेकिन यहाँ पे प्लेस वैल्यू है तो ये नहीं होगा। इसे करेंगे 3 = 3 कितने नंबर के बाद है, कौन सी प्लेस वैल्यू पर है? तो 1s, 10s, 100, 1000, 10,000। तो 5 zeros इसके बैक पे लगेंगे, 4 zeros लग गए। तो ये हुआ 3 का प्लेस वैल्यू। और आप इसे इस तरह सॉल्व कर लीजिए अगर आपको समझ में नहीं आ रहा है। 3 × 10,000, इसको आप इस मेथड से करेंगे तो मल्टीप्लाई कर लेते हैं इस मेथड से भी। तो 1000 का 3 लेंगे तो 1000 10,000, sorry, 10,000 multiplied by 3, so it will come 30,000. Yeah, so you have to know these petty things. So next, types of number. Types of number. So in types of number, first you will get natural number. And now you can return also number, natural number. So in natural number you can see that you can tell counting numbers. Counting and are also called natural numbers. All counting numbers are natural numbers. And the important thing in this natural number is 0. First clearly, 0 is not a natural NO. Yeah, you have to know that 0 is not a natural number. Then you will see that whole number. Whole number. So you can simply remember in this way, natural NO with 0. You can know that this type, because in natural number the 0 doesn't not come. You can write not come, doesn't not come, 0 in natural number. Yeah, so you can simply explain in this way also. And next is our integer. Integer, there was a chart of integer. There are two types of integer, positive integer and negative integer. I am representing positive by P and negative by N. Yeah, then in negative you can write -1, -2, and in positive 1, 2. You don't have to return plus. In a negative, I am telling now also, negative integer, you can write like this, and you have to write also like this: -2, -3, -5, -7, and -9 also. Yeah, and in positive way, you don't have to put plus. Yeah, you don't have to put plus. Like +1, +2, you don't have to put. Like negative, you are putting -1. You don't have to put this type of symbols. You directly return 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This type. Yeah. So continue in this way. Then we will take the chart that I am telling. I will explain is this way. This is the chart. Here is 0, then here are 4, here also 4, -1, -2, -3, -4. This 1, 2, 3, 4 in this. 0 doesn't come in negative and doesn't come in positive. 0 is called zero integer. Yeah, you have to know this also. Then the next number is even number. So the natural number, the NO divisible by 2 are called natural number. That all natural numbers are not even. All natural numbers are not even. The natural numbers which are divisible by 2 are called natural numbers. Yeah, you have to know that. Then you will see that odd number, that it was opposite of even number. In this number you will see that the n number not divisible by 2 are called odd number. Yeah, you have to know this. Then you will see real number. Yeah, in real number, a number which has positive p is equal to positive square is called a real number. And then in real number, that one number also come imaginary, and वो लिख लेते हैं imaginary number. Yeah, the number which square come in negative is called imaginary number. That is simple. Then you will see rational. You will see rational. In rational number, the numbers which are written in form of p upon yeah, my phone has locked also. In the form of p upon q is called rational. And you can see irrational. Irrational are that numbers that can not written in the form of p upon q. There is opposite in rational and irrational. The rational can written in p upon q, and this can not written in p upon q. Yeah, you understand this? Then we will come in prime number. In prime number, the number which are divisible by 1 and itself only, called prime number. The number which are divisible by 1 and itself only is called prime number. Yeah. And there was opposite number also, you will see. Then composite. In composite number, you will see that in composite number, number that are divisible the number that are divisible by 1 and itself and also from other number are called composite number. Yeah, this is clear. So today we will discuss this much only. In the next video I will continue from composite number only. So thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, share and comment. That's why I also written subscribe, like, share. Thanks for watching. Divyansh Tiwari, Learning Base.